What's up, adventure seekers? Are you ready to explore the hidden gems of Disney's private island Castaway Cay? Come join us as we take you on a thrilling journey through the island's scenic bike paths. From breathtaking views to secret spots, we'll show you the best way to experience this tropical paradise. So gear up and hold on tight, because this is one ride you won't want to miss. Upon disembarking the ship, take the accessible tram to Pelican Point tram stop. At this location, you can visit a bike rental station and secure your rental. To ensure availability, it is recommended to pre-book the rental to the Port Adventures section of the Disney Cruise app. Renting a bike on Castaway Cay is a great way to explore the island and see all that it has to offer. The island's bike rental program is operated by Disney Cruise Line, and they offer a wide variety of bike options. One of the advantages of renting a bike on Castaway Cay is that it allows you to explore the island at your own pace. The island is home to several miles of bike paths that wind through the lush tropical landscape and offer views of the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean. These paths are perfect for leisurely rides and are suitable for riders of all ages and skill levels. These paths are also all wheelchair accessible, and during my most recent visit, I had a great time cruising around with my nurse. Another advantage of renting a bike on Castaway Cay is that it is a great way to stay active and healthy while on vacation. The island's bike paths are a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the beautiful scenery at the same time. In addition to bike rentals, Castaway Cay offers a wide variety of other activities such as snorkeling, swimming, and parasailing. The island also has a number of amenities including a beachside barbecue, a water park, and a shopping area. Overall, renting a bike on Castaway Cay is a great way to see the island and experience all it has to offer. Whether you're looking for a leisurely ride or a workout, the island's bike paths are the perfect way to explore this tropical paradise.
this money.